Hello everyone, my name is Geeta Salonke. I am Assistant Professor in Department of ENTC Engineering at AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. Now I am going to explain single phase voltage source inverter of power electronics. An inverter is a power converter which converts DC input power into AC output power. That is, it converts DC to AC power by switching the DC input voltage in a predetermined sequence so as to generate AC voltage output. It consists of either 2, 4 or 6 power devices which are turned on and turned off at a desired frequency to convert DC into AC. If power devices are a BJT, MOSFET or IGBT, then forced commutation circuit is not required. If SCR is the power device, separate forced commutation circuit is required. Now we'll see applications of DC to AC converters, that is inverters. It is used in uninterruptible power supplies, induction motor drives, induction heating, electric ballast, battery operated electric vehicles, solar based VFD, HVDC transmission. Now we'll see classification of inverters. There are two types of inverters: voltage source inverters and current source inverters. The voltage source inverters is fed by a DC voltage source of small internal impedance. Load current depends on load impedance, but load voltage is independent on load. And in case of current source inverters, it is fed by a current source with high internal impedance, that is current limiting inductor in series with a DC source. And load voltage depends on load impedance, but load current is independent on load. CSI are used at very high power AC drives. Types of voltage source inverters: single phase inverters, further classified as single phase half or full bridge inverters, square wave inverters, PWM inverters, and three phase inverters, 120 degree conduction and 180 degree conduction. Now we'll see single phase full bridge inverter with R and RL load. This is the diagram for inverter. Consider S1, S2, S3, S4 switches, and at this place transistors are used, or instead of transistors here S1, S2, S3 and S4 are mentioned. See here in mode 1, the transistors Q1 and Q2 conduct simultaneously. In this mode, the load voltage is positive and the load current flows from left to right. The equivalent circuit for mode 1 is shown here. At a t equal to T0 by 2, transistor Q1 and Q2 are turned off and Q3 and Q4 are turned on. The load voltage, now the load voltage is negative and the load current flows from right to left. The equivalent circuit for mode 2 is shown here. As load is resistive, it does not store any energy, therefore the feedback diodes are not effective here. The voltage and current waveforms for resistive load is shown here. Voltage waveform, current waveform, supply current and current flowing through switch S1, S2, S3, S4. Now we'll see working of inverter with RL load. Mode 1, mode 2, mode 3, mode 4. And the waveforms of load voltage and load current, current flowing through switch S1, S2, S3, S4 and supply current waveform is shown here. Now about feedback diodes. In the mode 2, diodes D3 and D4 return energy from load to supply. Also in mode 4, diode D1 and D2 return energy from load to supply. Therefore, these diodes are called as feedback diodes. Thank you.